Okay, I want to add that our connections are mirrors, meaning what you see in others is also within you. And if you hate that version of them, if you hate that part of them, it's actually the parts of yourself where you don't like, where you're not accepting, and you're hating. It's hard to swallow this, but this is really true. Because you can't see if you don't have that within yourself. So it's not about changing the other person. So that controlling them to fit into your standards or your preference. You cannot control the mirror. You know what you can control? Yourself. This is your opportunity to really accept that part of you and to love that part of you. And then you realize you're not triggered anymore by this reflection. You're just witnessing yourself. Okay. That's how you expand. That's how you grow. That's how you use your connections, your relationships as a way to go within yourself and flourish and expand. Okay? It's not about using the other person to fill that void within you. Yes, we need other people to help us, but sometimes parang we always blame others for our misery, for our pain, for our emotions, because this person did this to me, because my parents are controlling me, and my boyfriend is blah 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 blah. I feel very insecure. He's talking to other girls, blah blah blah. I don't know about you. I mean, that's very common, okay? Diba? We all have this jealousy, all these insecurities coming alive in you, and that's okay. That's okay. I see you. I see the insecurities within me. But what's the best thing that you can do is to ask yourself why. Why do I feel not secured within? Why do I feel afraid of losing people in my life? Why am I afraid of abandonment? Why am I sourcing love to others as well? Can I love myself more? Can I trust myself more? Can I be my own source? Because the love you're seeking outside of you is always within you. And other people are just triggers, diba? Of what's inside of us. And if you can feel the love, if you can feel the nourishment, the relaxation, the calmness, the peace, the freedom from your divine connections, it's always within. You just have to master, to generate, to cultivate these emotions within yourself. Okay? We're not here to judge ourselves. I'm here to remind us, to reflect, to be aware of ourselves. Without any judgment, just pure introspection. Okay? Pure acceptance. Loving unconditionally ourselves. Diba? Loving without conditions. Okay. So, be grateful with the people in your life. I am grateful for you for being here, sharing this reality with me. Let's choose to live a beautiful life with our loved ones. Let's create this harmonious relationship. First from our inner world, then our outer world. Okay? You deserve the best reality you could ever live. Okay? I love you.